Okay, so I have a quick video here for you guys. It's just basically a review video of the Matrixpad S8. Here is the packaging. Um, I just received this today. I didn't do an unboxing of it. It's pretty straightforward, or just a tablet and the charger inside. It's well packaged up. Holy gosh, I can't even get it open. Anyway, the tablet is fast and responsive with the IPS screen. The Matrix S8 is equipped with the IPS screen, which is characterized as having the best color and viewing angles. So, from my experience from using the tablet for about 3 hours, the screen in this tablet is really good. I was quite amazed with the screen. Let's just open it up here. If you look, it's a pretty nice screen. We can see that on the camera here or not, but the picture of this is really good for the price you pay. It's the HD cameras for the video calls and selfies. The front and rear cameras in Matrixpad S8 provides the full capability of making smooth video calls and taking a perfect selfie. Massive selection of apps from Google Play, which the Google Play is quite responsive. You can download anything you want on here. Powerful hardware and a slim design. So it comes with the advanced quad-core processor, the a solid eMMC ROM. I can barely see this. Matrixpad S8 frees your worries to enjoy smooth internet surfing, apps downloading and reading. Lighter and thinner design makes it easy to carry. And this is a 32 gig version. And it's quite fast. It's quite responsive. It works really good. So the tablet is expandable up to, I think, 168 gigs. I put a 32 gig in here. You can move all your apps and stuff over to that. So you can dedicate your external SD card in here and make more room on your tablet itself, which I have done so. Pictures and everything goes to the card itself. You download any videos or movies or anything like that, and it goes to the external card itself. So you can basically just use the system itself for the internal apps, or you can put the internal apps over onto the SD card. Charging is pretty quick. It was down a little under half before I started playing with it. And it was still there. Like I used it for 3 hours and the battery barely moved. And that's constant downloading the apps and putting into this. Now, a full charge should get you through the day, no problem with this. I'm going to get in depth with the camera when we, a little further when I get a chance. But, there's really not too much to say about the tablet itself. It's quite responsive, fluid. It works really good. It's, I don't find much difference in the Galaxy or Samsung tablets. So, saying that, for the price, you can't go wrong. Let's go over here to settings, and I'll show you that it is a 32. So we'll say about, and get in here. It's got the Android 9, I think it is. Everything came updated. Let me go about and see what the build number is in here. Android 9, version 9, yeah. So it's already installed and up to date when you receive it. This is the newest version of the Matrixpad S8. I think there's a model it's called just 8. It's kind of hard right now to find cases for this. I found probably 4 or 5 cases for it, and some of them are junky and some of them are good. But I ordered a case for it. It's a full enclosure case, screen protector, and everything that comes with it. I really don't know too much more to say about the tablet, but I'm going to use this for a good week, and I'm going to give you a really good in-depth review of this tablet and let you know what I think of it. I bought this tablet for my daughter, her Samsung Galaxy Tab 7. The Wi-Fi quit working in it, and it's not worth to go buy another one because they want outrageous money because of the COVID. Everything's jacked up. I paid $89 for the tablet when I first bought it brand new, and now they want $200 and something for the tablet. So I just went and bought one of these, and I read the reviews on Amazon, and there wasn't much bad to say about the tablet. Some people complained and said the tablet felt cheap. It doesn't feel cheap at all. It's got pretty good weight for it, the tablet. It should be fine for children. I mean, I'd probably even use this tablet myself, but I'll let you know more later on. Let me use this for a little while. What's in the box comes with the Matrixpad S8, USB cable, adapter, user guide, and quick start guide. That's pretty much all there is. And you can get white, you can get black. There's a few different other colors. I think there's purple. You'd have to go look on Amazon and see what they have the colors, because at the time I didn't have too many colors for me to pick from. I needed to get something here before Christmas, and her tablet went, and I wanted her to have a tablet for Christmas, so she got this one early Christmas gift. So really, there's not too much to say about the tablet itself right now, but it comes with a screen protector on the tablet. That's why you see all the fingerprints and smudges and stuff on it. It's just a cheap, flimsy screen protector. It'll last until you get a good one. So they do have the tempered glass screen protectors for the tablet. So I ordered a pack of 2 for $9.99. And I also have purchased a case for it. And I'll do a review on the case itself. But other than that, it seems to be a pretty good tablet. So you can't while you're recording. So anyways, right in here is where you put in your SD card. It goes right in there. And you get this little flap on top that covers it. You got your micro USB charging here. You have a headphone jack, 3.5 millimeter jack. On the back, you have your camera, your volume up and down right here on the side, and your power button right there. Like I said, there's really not much to it. It's got a speaker right here on the bottom. And the only issue I noticed using this tablet would be the speaker. It's not extremely loud, but it's loud enough to hear it. But let's just put it that way. I mean, for $100, it's not bad, but it could be a little louder. That's my only complaint so far. As you can see the little grill right there. So anyways, let me use this for a little while, and I'll let you more about the specs and, how it's holding up. So thanks for watching, you guys.